Dolphins are wonderful animals that swim in the big, wide ocean. They are known for their playful smiles and their amazing jumps out of the water. Many people all over the world are fascinated by dolphins because they are so intelligent and seem to enjoy being around humans. These sleek swimmers glide through the water with such ease, making them a true joy to watch. They are curious creatures, often investigating new things in their underwater world. Learning about dolphins is like opening a window to the ocean's marvels. They remind us how incredible nature can be. We can discover so much by studying these friendly sea animals. It is important to know that dolphins are not fish, even though they live in the water their whole lives. Dolphins are mammals just like cats, dogs, and even people. This means they breathe air just like we do. They have a special hole on top of their heads called a blowhole. They come up to the ocean surface to breathe air through their blowhole. Then they dive back down to swim and play. Baby dolphins, called calves, drink milk from their mothers. This is another thing that makes them mammals. Understanding that they are air-breathing mammals helps us appreciate how special they are in their ocean home. Dolphins can be found in nearly every ocean on our planet. They are truly global citizens of the sea, adapting to many different environments. Many types of dolphins prefer the warm tropical waters found near the equator. You might see them swimming in places with coral reefs and bright sunny skies. These warm waters are full of fish and other tasty treats for dolphins to eat. The warm temperature also makes it comfortable for them to live and raise their young. They can be seen off the coasts of many countries, delighting people who go to the beach or take boat trips. But dolphins are not just found in warm places. Some kinds of dolphins are very tough and can live in much colder waters. They swim in the chilly seas near the North Pole and the South Pole. These hardy dolphins have special ways to stay warm in the cold ocean. They often have a thicker layer of fat called blubber under their skin. Blubber works like a warm coat. Some dolphins even live in big rivers, like the Amazon River. This shows how adaptable dolphins are, finding homes in salty oceans and freshwater rivers alike, from sunny beaches to icy waters. There are many different kinds of dolphins swimming in our world's waters. Scientists say there are more than 40 different species of dolphins. Each type has its own special look and its own way of life. Some are small and some are quite large. Some dolphins are very social and live in big groups, while others might be a bit more solitary. The most common and well-known type is probably the bottlenose dolphin. You might have seen bottlenose dolphins in movies or at marine parks. They are famous for their friendly faces and their clever tricks. They are truly one of the ocean's most charismatic residents. Bottlenose dolphins get their name from their short, thick beak, which looks like a bottle. They are usually grey in color and can grow to be quite big, sometimes up to 12 feet long. These dolphins are found in warm and temperate seas all over the world. They are very social animals and live in groups called pods. In their pods, they hunt together, play together, and protect each other from danger. Bottlenose dolphins are known for their high intelligence and their ability to learn complicated behaviors. They often ride the waves created by boats, seeming to enjoy the free ride and the fun. One of the most surprising types of dolphins is the orca, which many people know as the killer whale. Even though they have whale in their name, orcas are actually the largest members of the dolphin family. They are easily recognized by their striking black and white markings and their very tall dorsal fin. Orcas are powerful hunters and are found in all oceans, from the icy Arctic and Antarctic regions to warmer tropical seas. They are incredibly intelligent and have complex social structures within their pods. Orcas are truly magnificent creatures, commanding respect wherever they swim. So, what do all these different dolphins eat? Dolphins are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Their main food is fish and squid. Different types of dolphins might prefer different kinds of fish depending on where they live and what is available. They are very clever hunters. Often, dolphins hunt together in their pods. They work as a team to surround a school of fish, making it easier to catch them. This cooperative hunting shows how smart they are. They might slap the water with their tails to scare fish, or use bubbles to confuse their prey. Eating well helps them stay strong and energetic for all their swimming and playing. Dolphins are among the smartest animals on our planet. They have big brains compared to their body size, and they use them in many amazing ways. One of the most fascinating things about dolphins is how they talk to each other. Dolphins communicate using a wide range of sounds. They make clicking noises, whistles, and squeaks. Each dolphin even has its own special whistle, like a name, that other dolphins can recognize. They also use body language to communicate, such as slapping their tails on the water or leaping into the air. This complex communication helps them stay connected with their pod members. The clicking sounds that dolphins make are not just for talking. They also use these clicks for something called echolocation. Echolocation is like a natural sonar system. A dolphin sends out a series of clicks, and these sound waves travel through the water. When the clicks hit an object like a fish or a rock, the sound bounces back to the dolphin. The dolphin listens to these returning echoes and can tell the size, shape, and location of the object. This amazing ability helps them find food, even in dark or murky water. It also helps them navigate and avoid obstacles while swimming. Besides being smart communicators, dolphins are also incredibly playful animals. They seem to love having fun. You can often see dolphins leaping high out of the water, twisting and spinning in the air before splashing back down. This behavior is called breaching. Scientists think they do this for many reasons, maybe to communicate, perhaps to get a better view, or simply because it feels good. Dolphins also enjoy riding waves, whether they are natural ocean waves or the waves created by boats. They surf along, looking like they are having the time of their lives. They might even play with seaweed or other objects they find floating in the water. Dolphin pods are very social groups, and they have strong bonds with each other. The members of a pod work together to find food, protect themselves from predators like sharks, and care for their young. Mother dolphins are very caring and will stay with their calves for several years, teaching them all the important things they need to know to survive in the ocean. If a dolphin in the pod is sick or injured, other dolphins might help it. They have been seen supporting an injured dolphin at the surface so it can breathe. This caring behavior shows how important social connections are for these remarkable animals. Dolphins play a very important role in the health of our oceans. They are part of the ocean's complex food web. As predators, they help to keep the populations of fish and squid in balance. When dolphins are healthy and thriving, it often means that the ocean environment they live in is also healthy. They are like indicators for the ocean's well-being. If dolphin populations start to decline, it can be a sign that something is wrong in their marine habitat. Protecting dolphins helps to protect the entire ocean ecosystem, which is vital for all life on Earth, including us. Their presence contributes to the biodiversity and richness of marine life. Unfortunately, dolphins around the world face many dangers, and many of these threats come from human activities. Pollution is a big problem. Chemicals and plastics that end up in the ocean can make dolphins sick or harm them. Dolphins can get tangled in fishing nets and other fishing gear, which can injure them or prevent them from reaching the surface to breathe. Climate change is also affecting the oceans, changing water temperatures and the places where dolphins can find food. Loud noises from ships and underwater construction can interfere with their communication and echolocation. It is important for us to understand these threats. There are many things that people can do to help protect dolphins and their ocean homes. One simple thing is to reduce our use of plastic. This means using less plastic bags, bottles and straws, so they don't end up in the ocean. We can also help by keeping beaches and waterways clean. Supporting organizations that work to protect marine life and clean up the oceans is another great way to help. Learning more about dolphins and sharing that knowledge with others can raise awareness. When we make responsible choices about the seafood we eat, we can also help by choosing fish caught in ways that do not harm dolphins. Saving dolphins is a very important task, and it is something we can achieve if we all work together. These intelligent and beautiful creatures deserve to live safely and freely in their ocean world. By taking steps to protect the oceans, we are not only helping dolphins but also ensuring a healthier planet for everyone. Let's all be friends to the dolphins and do our part to keep their ocean home clean and safe. The future of these amazing animals depends on our actions today. Let's make sure that future generations can also marvel at the wonder of dolphins swimming wild and free.